My D72 handy talkie. I'm going to plug the USB cable in. The computer recognized that port. Turn the handy talkie on. So the Kenwood MCP-4A software is up on my PC screen, and I'm going to go to Program, Read Data from Transceiver, and I'm going to click on Read. Cute little graphics. Back in the Kenwood programming software, I'm going to Edit, Menu, APRS, and it brings up this screen here. I'm going to select Message. Two sets of messages on this screen: status text messages and user phrases. Status text messages are set up for you to select different CAN messages to show up as your status in your beacon message. My beacon set to be sent every 10 minutes when I'm on the trail, and right now you can see in this box it says number 1. That means that the radio is going to send out the first CAN message. First message indicates that I'm en route to a particular SOTA summit. When I'm coming back from that summit, I'll remember to change it to now QRT en route back home. That's so that people who are looking out for me on aprs.fi can see if I'm coming or going. Occasionally I'll run into a lock gate or for some reason don't want to go to the summit. And the third status message indicates that today's SOTA is aborted. User phrases are the bodies of the messages that are sent to different call signs through the APRS system. Let's look at message number 5 here as an example. It has the summit number. It's inputted exactly as it is in the SOTA database. There's a comma, which separates the frequency shown in kHz with a comma. Now the mode, which you can see is SSB, then a comma. After this last comma is what it indicates in the comments field on Sotawatch. My 7th message here is a summit, and the frequency is an oddball frequency that wouldn't normally be used in SOTA. 14001 kHz is very unlikely that a CW operator would operate there, so I made it oddball to catch CW operators' attention on the Sotawatch.org screen. Anyway, after the last comma, I've got abort, and I can spot myself to let people know that the activation is aborted. I'm going to change this just for funsies here to show something different. I was going to say TST-IGNOR. That just fits in there. And I'm going to program CAN message number 7 into the radio, and then we're going to send it out to the APRS network and hopefully to APRS to SOTA to end up in Sotawatch.org. I've got the D72 turned on and connected to the computer, and I'm going to go up here, program, and write data to the transceiver. Looky there. So now my transceiver is programmed. I'm out of the basement now. You can see that the GPS has synced up in the upper right hand corner there. It's blinky blinky. The D72 will not send out a GPS unless it has some coordinates to know where you are, or you can force it to send out a message to pre-programmed coordinates such as your home QTH. But anyway, what I'm going to do now is see if I can demonstrate sending a message. I'm going to press function, message, and that's where I'm going to input the call sign SOTA. And I'm gonna go enter the last time. And the next screen is the message. Now from here, you can just text in your message if you want by using the keypad and the rotary dial up here. What I'm going to do is use the CAN message that I created earlier. So I'm going to go function, and the list of CAN messages shows up. And I believe that my message was number 7 that had the ignore message. Thing is, I can't see the whole text on my screen here. I can arrow over and see that it says st-ignore. So just to confirm, that's the right one. And I'm going to push OK. And it just sent it out. What should happen is I should get some response that tells me digipeters are handling my message. I should get an acknowledgement message back from the APRS to SOTA server in Britain. Makes me wonder. Okay, I'm going to send the message again. So function, message, and I don't know of any way to have a canned address. Maybe if you do, you can let me know. SOTA. Enter. There's where I can start texting, or push the function key and get my list of CAN messages. Number 7 again. And I saw that it sent something after I did that. There we go. Acknowledgement from SOTA. And it shows that it spotted me on D72 stroke. Let's go see if it showed up on Sotawatch. So now back at the computer, we can see that KR7W is there and hovering over it. There's all my stats. I'm brought to you by APRS2 SOTA. And the comments you see, it says test ignore.